We went to visit Franco from Little Valley Mushrooms in the heart of the Overberg. Let me tell you, this was such an incredible dish to cook with these amazing fresh mushrooms. We decided to make a mushroom burger and some tempura oyster mushrooms. You won't believe this, but the company started 10 years ago in Franco's apartment and they grew it from there. They do a variety of oyster mushrooms, chestnut, lion's mane, reishi, cordyceps, just to name a few. They do dried and fresh as well as tinctures, so whatever you need, they can help you out. Medicinally, each mushroom variety has its own quality, and Franco is the man with all the knowledge. They do grow kits, consulting for other mushroom companies, and genetic works, so you gotta know he's the man in the know. The adventure found its course when they saw the opportunities in the mushroom industry, and they just grew it from there. Being involved with genetics and growing it from start to finish, they can ensure the best quality that is available on the market. Do yourself a favor, get in touch and go check them out.